how to private share files, pictures and videos encrypted on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and you will see second option is connected devices. So click on connected devices. So after click on connected devices, you will see first option is quick share. So click on quick share. So scroll down and click on turn on allow sharing our internet. So after turn on this button, go back to home screen and go to app library. Now here, so click on gallery app, select folder from here. So after select folder, click on this three dot icon and click on select. So select pictures and videos from here. So after select videos, click on share. So after click on share, so click on quick share. So after click on quick share, so click on send. So you will see quick share picture and videos is sent. So private. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can private share files and pictures and videos encrypted on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.